What's the meaning of barricade? Barricade. Barricade.
Barricade. Barricade. Barricade refers to a temporary barrier or obstacle that is erected to block the passage of people or vehicles. It can be made from various materials such as concrete blocks, wooden planks, or metal frames. Barricades are usually used for safety or security purposes, such as during a protest or in construction sites to prevent unauthorized access to dangerous areas. They can also be used as a defensive measure in military or police operations. The term barricade can also be used metaphorically to describe any obstacle that hinders progress or access. Overall, the purpose of a barricade is to prevent or control movement, making it an essential tool for maintaining safety and order.